Today is Style It My Way. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and myself, Design with Emma. Our co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, Decorating with Jessa Green, Ivy Dodd, and Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley. Come along with me as I show you how I've styled my living room for spring my way. And what I'm going to do is let you take a look at everything, then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. And I added the pink from the foyer here. I brought it all the way over into the living room area. So what I've done here, I went ahead and added touches of pink from my foyer to my living room. And as you remember, I'll give you another look here at my foyer, where I've added the touches of pink, and all I've done, I've taken them and brought the pink over here in the living room. And all I wanted to do was add just a little few touches of it, just to bring it over, okay? So let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. On my coffee table, I have the beautiful white and pink flowers. And again, all I've done is just added a few touches of the pink flowers in this flower arrangement. I have my little bunny here with the beads, and then I have my sand and fog candle also in a pink. The top of my jar here, I have the gray and white beads. On my sofa, I've added the white pillows. Then I went in and added the ball pillows, the pink, red, brown ball, and also a knot white ball. And the knot was from Amazon, and the pink pillow, I got it I've also added the throw from Kirkland's and the white pillow. Over here, I have the white pillow and another white ball with the little shiny glam pillow. Over here on my sofa table, what I've done, I've taken it out of the window and put it here on the side and made it like a little ball. And on it, I have my little glasses with the little Easter eggs in it because the theme is Easter eggs for Style It My Way. So I just put my little eggs here in my glasses. The beautiful vase here was a Goodwill find that I painted white, and the beautiful ginger jar was from Ross's, and the Starbucks was also from Ross's. And as I said, this was my sofa table. I just took it out of the window and put it here on the side and actually made it like a little ball, okay? I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to host with her on this Style It My Way. I will be leaving her information and all of the co-hosts in my description box. You want to make sure you go over and check out all of their channels and all of the ladies who are participating in Style It My Way. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Style It My Way, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I'll let you take another look at it. And again, I'll ask that you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the touches of pink in this room. And please do not forget to hit that thumbs up because it really, really helps my channel. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.